if I'm coming south and doing the twisties, I ride this.
Yeah.
I bike for going out on and cruising and all that.
Yeah, buddy.
Why don't you roll with me? Because I don't think you're gonna ride that.
Nah.
I'm not gonna ride super hard. Rick said he's already a little worried about his tires.
Yeah. Good little road. Good little in-betweener. That sucks. I guess I didn't charge this 360 camera. Yeah. You got like a USB-C or anything? Right. Literally stopped in the middle of the road and put it in reverse. Hell yeah. Bunch of old school cars, some Model Ts. Apparently, I'm chasing an 890 on a 390. If I had to pick between the two, I'd probably go 890. Just a little bit more power. Probably better on the highways. These roads are pretty open, so you find yourself wide open a lot on a 390, whereas like the 890 will cruise at 80 mile an hour just fine. This thing is phenomenal out here on the back road, though. It really does sound. too. It's just the in-between stops where you like want to cut time. It just screams into higher speeds. So I've had this 390 for probably like 4 years now. It's been a phenomenal bike to own. It always has a check engine light. Always has like some caution light. Mostly because the oil change. You have to have a scan tool to reset this light every oil change. So I have ridden the same over like 9-10 hours straight. It's somewhat comfortable. It's not very consistent. So that makes it nice. You can also stand up, stretch your legs if you need to. The bars are not like quite high enough. I thought about going aftermarket bars just to give me a little bit of variety. That would make it like perfect, but for what it is, it's perfectly fine with me. This bike does make you work for it. It really loves me in a high RPMs, about 6,000 RPMs, and you have to downshift. You can't rely on torque. So you definitely got to work to ride this bike fast, which is nice. And it could make you a better rider over time. Whereas like 890 out here, that thing, you basically put it in like 4th gear or 5th gear and you just power out every corner. You hardly have to shift gears because the power band is so big. Whereas like this little engine, you have to keep revved up. Popping it up for air. Also a great bike to like lean off of. You can really feel your weight transfer on this little thing, and it's really predictable. Wide open on this thing too, which is unusual for a motor bike. The wide open grill is definitely there. This is a corner. I focus straight up over this ridge toward that dime, and then boom, drop down in. Single rotor on the front, but it does have a decent grab. I probably need to bleed the brakes, honestly. They're getting a little spongy, but other than that, it stops pretty damn good. I mean, people do stoppies on these things and shit, so I think it weighs like 250 pounds. It's really light. I swear up and down this is the ultimate beginner bike. Like if you're worried about like bikes getting out from underneath of you, but you're also worried about not being quick, this is the way to go. Aha, it didn't charge again. Yeah, it didn't charge. Do you have to have your bike on to charge? Oh yeah, so that's a plug into the bike itself. Probably have to have like just to have the key on or something. I've never had a bike that fancy. Well, sorry guys, I failed you on the 360 shots. I know. If I had like a little hill. Oh! Man, that breeze feels good. Not a good run. This ain't a bad road. There's a lot of wide open too. Usually going the opposite direction on this road, so it's kind of nice going that direction. The rain's coming this way, that way. That was a good section. I did not like that little bump right into the corner. And that little bit there though, that was... Oh brother, oh brother, rough roads ahead. It's so different riding it this way. The last like 3 or 4 times I've ridden it, I've gone the opposite direction. I honestly like it that way. A few corners I need to remember, but coming that way I feel like it's more fun. Sucks I don't have the 360 going right now. I guess there's always tomorrow. Good little rip, guys. Good little rip. That a rock, big old rock. This hill here is always sketchy. Gravel driveway, top of the hill. This one's pretty bad too. I must have been looking at his phone.